Good morning. Thank you for calling the 7th This is Kanansha speaking. How may I assist you?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation.
Yes, of course, ma'am. May I please have your name?
Miss Espelita.
Definitely, Miss Espelita. May I know when and what time would you like to have your reservation?
Friday, May 3rd at 7:30 p.m.
Will the reservation be under your name, Miss?
Yes.
May I have your contact number, Miss Espelita?
0924745557.
Thank you. How many guests would you like to make the reservation for?
For 3 people.
Let me check the availability for Friday, May 3rd at 7:30 p.m. Please hold for a moment, Mrs. Pilita, while I check the availability of your requested date and time. Thank you for waiting, Mrs. Pilita. We do have a table available for 3 at 7:30 p.m. Would you prefer indoor or outdoor setting?
Outdoor, please.
Noted, ma'am. May I ask if this is for special occasion?
Yes, it's a birthday dinner.
Wonderful. Is there any special arrangement you would like us to prepare?
Just a small cake would be a great.
Absolutely. We'll make note of that, Mrs. Pilita. I am pleased to confirm your reservation for Friday, May 3rd at 7:30 p.m. for 3 guests in the outdoor section. We've also noted it's a birthday celebration and will arrange a small cake. Just to let you know, we hold tables for up to 30 minutes from the reserved time. Please notify us in advance if you'll be late. Thank you for calling, Mrs. Pilita. We look forward to welcoming you at the 7th